You're welcome to today. We have the lecture. Let's have a go. आपका रिजल्ट कब आएगा? When will your result be out? आप कब आओगे? When will you come? वो कब आएगा? When will he come? अगले माह तक मुतवक्के है. It is expected. Expected. It is expected on the next month. On the next month. अगले माह तक मुतवक्के है. It is expected on the next month. Well, क्या आप मुझे अगले चौराहे पर उतार दोगे? Will you drop me at the next crossing? आप कराची से कब वापस आ रहे हैं? When will you return from Karachi? When are you coming back from Karachi? एक हफ्ते तक. Within a week. Within a week. क्या आप ये काम करोगे? Will you be able to do this work? Will you be able to do this favor? Will you be able to do this task? Will you be able to do this work? Of course, of course, of course. Will you please come with me for the shopping? क्या आप मेरे साथ शॉपिंग के लिए आओगे? क्या आप मेरे इस मामले में मदद करोगे? Will you help me in this matter? Will you help me in this matter? Will you help me in this matter? How will you go to Lahore? आप लाहौर कैसे जाओगे? I'll go by bus, I'll go by bus, I'll go by train, I'll go by car. क्या वो कल आ जाएगा? Will he come tomorrow? मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकता इस बारे में. I'm not sure about that. आपके इम्तिहान कब हो रहे हैं? When will your exam be started? आपके इम्तिहान कब होंगे? When will your exam be started? The next week. Within next week. By next week. अगले हफ्ते तक. By the next week. कल तक. By tomorrow. अगले महीने तक. By the next month. क्या वो अपना वादा निभा पाएगा? Will he keep his promise? Will he keep his promise? Fulfill. Fulfill. F-U-L-L-F-I-L-L. Fulfill. क्या आप कल तक इस काम को ख़त्म कर लोगे? Will you finish this work by tomorrow? I'll try my best almost. इन दोनों में से आप एक चूज़ करें. Almost. तकरीबन. I will try my best. यानी इन दोनों में से आप एक चूज़ कर सकते हैं. Who is going to help you in this trouble? Who is going to help you in this trouble? आपकी इस मुश्किल घड़ी में कौन मदद कर रहा है? अल्लाह. It's none other than Allah. When will you be married? आपकी शादी कब होगी? When will you get married? आपकी शादी कब होगी? After my job. After I got job. Who will clean this road? ये सड़क कौन साफ करेगा? The sweepers will clean this road. The last slide we're going to learn the rest of the sentences. क्या आप एक कप चाय लोगे? Will you have a cup of tea? Sure, please. When will you vacate this house? आप ये मकान कब तक खाली करोगे? Probably next month. That's all for now. Thanks for being with me. Do not forget to subscribe me.